Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, can meditation be done during daily activities? Somewhat. Practicing mindfulness by incorporating awareness into your daily tasks, like walking, eating, or even washing the dishes. Focus on your breath, sensations, a mantra if you have one, or the present moment during these activities. This approach integrates mindfulness into your life without requiring extra time. The reason why I use the word somewhat is because practicing mindfulness in your daily activities is extremely helpful and beneficial. At the same time, the tradition of meditation that I learned would emphasize sitting and meditating and only concentrating on your focal point, that being the practice of meditation. Being aware is something that we want to be at all times. Some may use the word conscious, some may use different terminologies, mindfulness, however we want to phrase it. But the activity of being aware, the activity of being mindful, this is something that we want to incorporate into our daily activities. But to actually consider this meditation based on my training and the tradition that I was trained in, the meditative tradition that I was trained in, these mindfulness activities conducted while we're going throughout our daily routine, though beneficial, though helpful, are not considered meditation itself. Meditation itself would be the complete focus, complete concentration, and being in a physical posture with your spine erect, with your chin parallel to the ground, breathing through your nose with your eyes closed. Like there's much like with asana, there are certain positions that if you are not in this particular position, you are not performing this asana. The same thing is true for meditation based on my training, as in if you are not in a meditative posture, then it would not be considered meditation. It would be considered possibly contemplation or awareness being practiced in general. So all things very good, very helpful. And if you meditate, your general awareness or ability to be mindful in daily activities will naturally increase and naturally improve over time. So some people may consider, oh, I'm meditating because I am focusing on my breath while I am walking the dog, just as an example. Based on my training, you are practicing awareness, which is very good, very essential, and is one of the outcomes of regular meditation practice. But we would still want to make time to sit in a meditative posture and solely concentrate on our focal point. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils. And we'll relax the legs. Relax the pelvis and the hips. We'll relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the forehead. Namaste.